In this class, we will discuss about question number 5, exercise 6.2, lines and angle. What about this question? Observe. In figure, PQ and RS are two mirrors. In this diagram, we are having PQ and RS are what? Two mirrors we are having. Clear? Placed parallel to each other. Both mirrors PQ and RS both are placed what? Parallel to each other. Clear? An incident ray AB. This is the mirror. One ray AB strikes the mirror PQ. This ray, this is what? Ray, it strikes on this mirror. Clear? We are having in the science 1 chapter light. In the light we are having two laws. One is the reflection of light, another one is what? Refraction of light. Now once we talk about the reflection of light, we will talk about what? Mirror, spherical mirror. So mirror means reflection, lens means refraction. So this is the mirror and this will be what? Incident ray. And what is the laws of reflection? Incident angle will be equal to what? Reflected angle. Clear? Once ray strikes on the boundary of a surface, then it will be what? Bouncing back. That is what? Reflection of light. So this is the mirror. This AB ray strikes on this mirror. Then PQ at B, it strikes at the point B. The reflected ray moves along the path. Reflection is there, it means it strikes, then it will be bounced back in the same medium. So it strikes, then it will be bounced back in the same medium, and it is moving like this. So this is what? It is what? Incident ray, and this will be what? Reflected ray. Clear? The reflected ray moves along the path of BC. This path will be strikes, then moves along this path. Same medium. It is happen where? In the reflection. Strikes the mirror RS. Now this BC strikes. Now this is incident, this is reflected ray. And this reflected ray strikes where? That mirror RS. We are having another mirror RS. So strikes the mirror RS at C. This reflected ray strikes at the point of C of this mirror RS. Clear? And again reflected back. Once it is striking, it means this will be what? Incident ray for this mirror. And after reflection, it will be what? Bouncing back, and we are getting this reflected ray. For this mirror, this will be BC will be what? Incident, and CD will be what? Reflected. For this mirror PQ, AB will be incident and BC will be what? Reflected ray. Clear? Now we want to prove AB is parallel of CD. We want to prove this line AB, this incident ray will be parallel to this one or we want to prove this one and this one. We want to check this ray will be parallel of this one or not. So how we will do? For the reflection, we are having incident angle and reflected angle. So for this mirror, we are having this incident ray, and this will be what? Reflected ray. And laws of the reflection is what? Incident ray will be equal to reflected ray. So we are assuming this is A is what? Incident angle for this ray, and B is what? Reflected ray. So we can say angle A will be equal to angle B. So how we are getting? First we should draw a normal for this surface. So I am taking normal perpendicular line from the B, and then we are getting incident. How we will observe the incident angle? From the normal. So we should draw BE is perpendicular. BE is normal of PQ. So BE will be the perpendicular of this one. Then we can say angle A equal to angle B. Why? Because incident angle will be what? Reflected angle as per laws of reflection. Clear? Now for this one, this is the incident ray and this is reflected ray. So we should draw one normal for this line, for this surface, for this mirror RS. So we are drawing CF. CF will be the perpendicular of, CF will be what? Perpendicular or normal of this boundary, this mirror. Clear? So for this mirror we are having normal this one, so it is making angle X as a incident angle and Y as a reflected angle. So for this mirror we can say X will be equal to Y, angle X will be equal to angle Y. So this is based on the mirror. So in the mirror we are having incident angle and reflected angle. So we assumed for this one A and B, A is the incident angle, will be equal to reflected angle B, and for this mirror incident angle is X and reflected angle is what? Y. So in this way we are getting both equations. Now by observing we can say this is perpendicular of this one and this one is what? Perpendicular of this one. Obviously BE will be the parallel of, BE will be parallel of CF. BE will be the parallel of this one. It is not necessary we are having this law in the light, incident reflection of the laws of the reflection is what? Incident angle will be the reflected angle. So we are having mirror, incident ray and reflected ray. So we should be draw what? Normal or perpendicular line of this, and then we are getting A and B, both incident angle, reflected angle. For this one incident angle and reflected angle. So we are getting two equations. Now we want to prove AB is parallel of CD. We want to prove this is parallel to this one or not. So what we can say? Angle B, this is perpendicular to this one and this is perpendicular to this one. So we can say both are parallel and this is what? Transversal. For these two normals, for this mirror this is the normal, for this mirror this is the normal. Both are parallel and this is transversal. So what we can say? This angle B is a reflected angle for this mirror and this X is the incident angle for the this mirror. So we can say this angle will be equal to this one, angle B equal to angle X. Why this one is equal to this one? Because once we having both normals are parallel, then we can say this angle will be equal to this one. Why? Both are alternate interior angles. This is alternate interior angle of this one. So once we are having both parallel, both are what? Normals, and normals are what? Parallel. So both are parallel. So we can say this angle will be equal to this one. Why? Because alternate interior angle. We want to prove this one. Then we are multiplying by 2 on, we are multiplying both sides by 2. We are having angle B and angle X, left hand side angle B and right hand side angle X. So we want to prove this one, so we are multiplying both sides by 2. So 2 angle B, 2 angle X. So this 2 times of angle B, this can be written as angle B plus angle B, and this can be written as angle X plus angle X. Angle X plus angle X will be what? 2 angle X. And 2 times of angle B will be angle B plus angle B will be what? 2 times of angle B. Clear? Why we are doing this one? Because we know angle A equal to angle B, so at the one place we can write angle B equal to what? Angle A. Angle X will be what? Angle Y. Now angle A plus angle B, angle A plus angle B will be what? ABC. This complete angle ABC will be what? This one. So angle A plus angle B can be written as angle ABC, this angle, and angle X plus Y, angle X plus angle Y can be written as DCB. It means what? This angle will be equal to this one. We are proving this angle will be equal to this one. How? Once we do this one. So this angle equal to this one, it means once both lines are parallel, then this will be what? Transversal, and once this is what? Transversal, then this angle will be equal to this angle. This angle equal to this angle. Why? Because alternate interior angles. So we can say this line will be parallel of this one. This one we want to prove. So we proved this one. Observe again what we are doing. We are having two mirrors. For this mirror, this ray is incident ray and making incident angle, and then reflected ray. For this mirror, reflected ray will be the incident for this mirror, and then again this CD will be what? Reflected ray. Then this is given in the question. Then we are for the mirror we should have a one normal. Then only we can say incident angle will be equal to reflected angle. So we are taking two perpendicular line on these mirrors. For this mirror we are having this parallel perpendicular line. Perpendicular means normal of this line, and this will be the perpendicular of this one. So finally what we can say, we assumed this is the A, this will be B, this will be X, and this will be what, Y. Then we can say incident angle will be reflected angle. We know well this one. In the science we studied reflection, laws of the reflection. Incident angle equal to what, reflected angle. So we can say angle A equal to angle B, angle X equal to angle Y. Now we want to prove AB is parallel of CD or not. We want to this one. So what we are doing, for these two parallel lines, this angle will be equal to this one. Why? Alternate interior angle. Now multiplying from to both sides, then we are getting this one. This can be written as like this. Then angle B can be written as angle A. Angle X can be written as angle Y. Then angle A plus angle B will be this one. Angle X plus angle Y will be what? This one. It means both are parallel and this is the transversal. Then only these two angles will be equal. Why? Because both will be the alternate interior angle. So finally what we can say, this line will be the parallel of this one. We proved this one. So I hope you understand this one. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.